Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install Phantom Wallet for Solana.
And by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just gotta use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back.
All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store right here. Now go ahead and find the search bar and just type down Phantom. Like so, wait for it to load and just tap on Phantom Wallet. There you go. And then here you'll be able to find the Phantom icon. So what you do is just tap on install. Okay. If you have a multiple phone connected to your Google account, you can go ahead and install it wirelessly, okay, or automatically. Just tap on install right here and it will install to your other phone. Okay. So once done installing, tap on open and you will be greeted right here. Just wait for it. As you can see, it says, welcome to Phantom. So what you'll do is just go ahead and tap on I agree to the terms of service. Now, if you don't have an account, you can go ahead and tap on create new account. Or if you already have an account, just go ahead and tap on I already have a wallet. Okay. Just go ahead and tap on create a new wallet right here. And you can go ahead and connect your Google account. Okay. Other emails if you want to. I'm just going to go ahead and select I already have a wallet right here because I already have one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and continue with email right here. Continue with Google because I connected my Google account or Gmail account to my Phantom wallet. All right, I'm just going to wait for it. There you go. I'm going to go ahead and enter my PIN. And by the way, if it's your first time using Phantom wallet, it's going to ask you to set up your PIN. Or if your phone got biometrics available, like using your thumb, okay, to log in, you can go ahead and use that. So I'm just going to go ahead and use device authentication right here because it's the first time I'm using Phantom Wallet right here on this specific phone. Okay, it's going to ask for my fingerprint. Now I'm going to go ahead and scan it right here. And then I'm just going to hit on next. There you go. It says you're all ready. You can now fully enjoy your wallet. Tap on get started. Wait for it. And again, it's going to ask me to stick my thumb on my phone for verification, and there you go. You should be able to see the same exact page. Now, if the only reason you install Phantom is to trade for Solana, well, you are in the right place. As you can see here, right off the bat, you'll be able to see Solana, and it says earn up to 8% APY by staking your SOL. Okay, now you can go ahead and receive SOL or buy SOL for now with using your cash. Okay, tap on buy right here. Go ahead and enter the amount of USD that you wanted to buy or to be converted as SOL or Solana. Say, for example, $100 worth. So what would it be? Okay, just go ahead and tap on the payment method right here. Now you can go ahead and use your Google Pay and debit or credit card. Okay, you can choose to pay with MoonPay, Paybits. Okay, we have a ton of options right here. You have Topper as well that says with the lowest price. You can go ahead and use that like so. And again, the payment methods right here will be changed. As you can see, PayPal is now available. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and tap on PayPal like so, then go ahead and tap on continue. Now it's going to lead you to the paywall. Okay, all you need to do is just log in with your PayPal or bank or credit card. And as you can see here, it says you'll get this amount of SOL. Okay, so what you'll do is just tap on continue. Okay, you can go ahead and review your wallet address right here. And as you can see, it says Solana Network. Just hit on continue, follow simple prompts, and in no time, you will receive your Solana in your Phantom wallet right here. Just go and scroll down, and here you have your tokens. And again, you will receive your Solana in here. Now, what you do is just tap on Solana. Okay, you can go ahead and again receive from here, or cash buy, or even share. Tap on more right here and stake SOL, or you can go ahead and view it on SOL scan. You can stake with Phantom, as it says here, and earn again 6.03% per year. Start earning. Okay. Now, if you want to as well, you can go ahead and trade your Solana for other tokens. So what we'll do is just go ahead and tap on swap in here. Okay. Tap on it. And you pay under here, make sure Solana is selected. Okay, just tap on the drop down, select the correct token. Now what you'll do is go ahead and find which token would you like your Solana to be converted to? Okay, it could be USDC, USDT, official Trump, pump, dog with hat, bonk, USDT, you name it. Okay, just gonna look for your specific token. And that one's done, tap on X right here. You pay maybe 100 Sol and it will be converted right here automatically. Okay, the amount of USDC that you'll receive will be right here. So what you'll do is just tap on done, tap on swap, follow simple prompts, and once done, you're good to go. All right, you can go ahead and send Solana if you want to as well. Right here, just tap on send. Now go and find Solana. Tap on Solana. Now it needs a username or wallet address. So what you'll do is just open up your trading platform or another wallet. It could be, say for example, you have a Binance account. Okay, so Binance right here. Now go ahead and go to the bottom right. Let's go ahead and tap on add funds. And here, let's go ahead and find on-chain deposit. Okay, now what we'll do is just find Solana. Right here, we have Sol, tap on it, and you will be given the option to choose the network. Okay, Solana Sol right here. Okay, now copy the deposit address. Now go back to Phantom Wallet, sign back in, of course, and just paste from clipboard right here and tap on next. Enter the amount of Sol that you want to send from Phantom to the other crypto platform. Okay, maybe 100. And once done, or max, you can do max, hit on next, follow simple prompts, and once done, you're good to go. You are now a Phantom God. All right, that is basically how you install Phantom Wallet for Solana. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.